So we've just had my 33rd birthday. Thank you very much to everybody who came along to my little makeup live stream. That was a lot of fun and definitely reason for celebration. Today we have another reason to celebrate because this has just arrived. It is the Tiny Party Club box from Sugar and Sloth for February, and I have no idea what the theme is. So let's get inside. It's your girl Ayesha. I'm gonna be careful because like my neck is still in a really bad way, so I can't give you full neck movement with the Ayesha. So can you guys just like do it for me? Thanks. Comment down below if you actually did the head movement. So anyway, I'm in a bit of a silly mood today, but that's a good thing, right? It's good. It means that I'm a little bit more cheerful, which is fabulous. And why wouldn't I be cheerful when we have this, which has come through the door? So I remembered my scissors this time. Let's just slip into this. So if you don't know what the Tiny Party Club is, basically Sugar and Sloth, they do a little subscription box of teeny tiny little things just to make you happy. Usually it's to do with like stationery, or it can be just like little motivational things, or just cute little things, maybe some little fridge magnets. There's always a pin in there as well. Little things to just make your day, all right? So I will leave a link in the description box below so you can go ahead and check it out, and also I'll put my discount code in there for you too. Now, the box feels fuller than usual. I'm feeling what feels like a book, which is unusual. Let's have a little feel. Can I peek at the sticker? Oh, we got the little pelican. Okay, so let's have a little feel. What do we have here? I don't like to look inside of my boxes whenever I do an unboxing. So hold on. I'm gonna put that. That feels like it could be the leaflet that tells me what stuff is in there. So I'm gonna place that just down there. This is the first thing I'm pulling out. It's the book. What is this? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a little notepad. And the little octopus in the corner. Oh, do you know, I actually, like, real octopi, I am not a big fan of. Like, I'm just not. They're just way too slimy. But cartoon octopi, I love them. I really do. And that is so cute. Today's adventure is staying indoors, as it will be for the majority of this notepad. But this is cute. I am seeing a sea theme. I'm seeing a turtle, I'm seeing a jellyfish, a starfish, a little flounder fish. And is that a lobster of some sort? I'm not quite, no, not a lobster. What is this? What is this? Comment below if you know what sea creature that is, because your girl doesn't know. But this is really cute. I love that. Thank you so much. Okay, let's see. What do we have next? This feels like it could be a sticker. I'm sick and tired of telling you guys that I'm going to be putting these things in resin. I will. I promise. I will do something with all the things that I get from these boxes. I will. But your girl is busy. At the moment, busier than normal. So hang in there with me. What are you? You've got the magic in you. I'm not quite sure if that's how it's supposed to be said or sung, but that's just what came out when I saw it. I love it. I don't want to just like have this just sticking on something. I want this to be like a big fat badge. Do you know what I mean? So I need to like put resin over that and like attach a pin to the back of it. That is a really nice badge. I would love to do that. Next, what do we have? What's this? Is it? Oh, this might be a postcard. Sometimes they put postcards in. Is it a postcard? Ooh. Oh, it is, yes. Magical Ocean Cuties. Flatfish Frank has a secret crush on you. Lewis the sea turtle lives to sing the blues. I thought, I was going to say an axolotl. I was going to say that. But, like, I don't know why, but for some reason, my brain didn't connect the fact that axolotls live in the sea. It just didn't it didn't connect. But I thought it looked like an axolotl, but for some reason I thought they lived on land. Anyway, when Princess Axolotl is not busy ruling the magical ocean, she enjoys nothing more than a Buffy box set and a packet of wine cups. She's so cute. Queen Nessie believes in herself even when no one else does because she's awesome like you. Do frogs live in the ocean? Yes, in submarines. Watch out for them. Mystical Crab makes magic spells and such with her best friend, Bruce the Shrimp. This is so cute. Look at Bruce. Oh my god. These are so cute. Lady Ophelia enjoys flower arranging and Iron Maiden. That's the octopus, Lady Ophelia. And Jellyfish Mike lives for the gym but always skips leg day. Funny enough, my husband Mike lives for the gym but never skips leg day. Oh, fabulous. This is so cute. I love like learning all about your characters. This is adorable. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is a badge. What are you? Jellyfish Mike. Due to personal reasons, I shall now become a jellyfish. I love that. Personal reasons, I'm now officially a jellyfish. And it's even got a little bow as well. And are we down to, oh no, there's something else. I was gonna get out the enamel pin, but there seems to be something else. Oh, so maybe, are we gonna be getting these every month? Because we got one of these last month and you could just sort of like write whichever month that you wanted on there. Are we gonna be getting these each month? And then we can make our own sort of like calendar throughout the year? Because that would be pretty cool. That's such a really cool idea. I love it. Okay, I think now should be time for the enamel pin. I'm guessing it's gonna be one of these ocean cuties. Is it gonna be Jellyfish Mike? Is it gonna be Princess Axolotl? Is it gonna be Lady Ophelia? Bruce the Shrimp? Who else was there? There was a lobster. Magic lobster? Magic lobster? Lewis the Turtle, Queen Nessie. Is that everybody? I don't know. Who's it gonna be? Ah! It's Princess Axolotl! But it's a purple one. So is this the same one? Does it have her name on here? It doesn't have her name on here, so I'm guessing that it's her, but I'm guessing that like she's just decided to be purple for the day. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. That is adorable. So we have a little bit of confetti in here, and you guys know I love me some confetti. So here we go. It's only a little bit, but we're having a party, so any confetti helps. In 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Honestly, it's the little things. It really is the little things. And that's why I love this box, because it literally is just the little things, right? Like sometimes you don't need to have the world and its wife to make you happy. Just the littlest things can make you smile. And this definitely did put a smile on my face. And I hope that it put a smile on your face as well. As I said before, if you would like to get your hands on the Tiny Party Club box, I will leave a link in the description box below so you can go ahead and check that out. Let me know what was your favourite item from this box. For me, I think it is probably, I love the notepad. I really love the notepad. But also, it's hard because there's quite a few things that I really like from it. I love that the postcard had all of the different characters and like everything that they like in it. But I also really love this sticker. You've got the magic in you. I don't know, there's just something about it. What was his name again? Flatfish, what was his name? You see, now I can refer to the postcard. Flatfish Frank, there you go. I've got a lot of love for Flatfish Frank. If you guys enjoyed this video, then don't forget to subscribe subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.